to assist. City Deposit, 341 Gregory.
Lines are down, unable to verify.
Hey, can this car go any faster than this?
Come on, guys, come on. Here it is, I got it.
Come on, out of the hole. Come on, move it. Move it. Come on. Let's do it. Okay, here we go.
Trust me? Trust you? You drive worse than Maureen. No way!
Just tell me where the seatbelt is at.
It's a red light, Billy! That's rain! Oh, yeah, it was red, okay.
It was yellow.
Construction.
Hey, Taggy, you coming or not?
I'm coming! Don't wait for me, goddammit!
2 minutes!
Yo, man, what's that for?
After the shootout at the club, I figured I needed more firepower.
Yo, man, we gotta talk seriously. Who do you think you are, Clint Eastwood? Dirty Rosewood?
1:30.
Hey, tell your alarm you gotta break in.
I need authorization.
Authorize!
Fuck! Get out of here! Come on, go, go, go! Get out, go!
Hey, Rosewood, get some wheels. Well, this is pretty sporty.
Don't complain! It's all I can find!
If you stick with me, baby,
Billy!
do you wrong, and we're gonna have some fun. We're so good
Police prisoners, I need the
together
car!
in this crazy
I'm a
world.
police officer!
You can't count on anyone.
Oh, God. Here I go again.
Just to get
Come on, let's go!
You just hit a squad car!
I know, it's okay. I know the guy. He's a jerk!
Does the steering wheel work in this thing?
I'm steering!
Well, do the brakes work?
I don't know, I haven't tried him yet! force!
Stop! There's a truck. Now what? This was a pickup vehicle.
Just follow it as far as it goes.